More. Just go for it. We reach the end. Reach the end
Just go
of
for
it.
it.
Let's go. Nice. Alright. No, you.
Oh, I made it!
You
Ah,
1 minute.
wrong timing. Ah,
Wait,
Bruh.
isn't this okay?
I made it.
You would have made it.
Go,
Oh, I need.
away, go away.
Oh wait, guys, I need to get resources. Go away.
Okay, we are not getting any resources.
Guys,
What do we do?
is this a place where we get resources, or is this the place where we get resources?
Oh, it's up here. It's up here. It's up
Oh, it's
here.
up here. Oh, okay.
Up this.
I'm so confused.
Guys,
And let's
literally,
do
we
all
are
our
the
resources.
Man, is there like this
guys.
guy's so
Literally,
dumb?
we are the duels who is so pro, and we don't know where's the resources coming. We are the
I
duos,
know,
which is
but
literally so noob.
that's so bad.
Yeah, duos means two people, right? We are three. So
No,
trios.
those means
Go.
two people. Yeah, we are
The
three.
new word by CJ.
Those
The new word by talent.
trios or something.
Trios. Oh, sir, I guess you have to keep on your glasses again.
I don't even see you. Where are you?
I have no idea. Did we
Bruh.
bridge to the nearest place?
Look down.
Oh, there.
Bro, it's right here. Okay.
Oh, now only he's realizing.
Realization. Ah. Okay.
You guys know SBJ, right? That guy SBJ.
Who the hell is
in a
SPJ?
Sean server. Zap.
Okay, I can bridge faster. Can you give me?
You don't know
real quick?
SBJ?
Ozar, Bill, give me real quick. Can you see me?
What?
Can you give me? I'll bridge faster.
Where is him? Cover the bed. Guys, first of all, we have to cover our bed.
Chris CJ, can you do that, please?
Easy.
Thank you.
I'm buying the best gear right now. Wait. Let me just buy my chest.
Okay.
Easy iron chest plate.
Easy. Alright,
Bruh.
yeah, let me just see what I can get.
Are you
65.
Look at
60.
Christy, look at me. Christy, look at me. Look at me, Christy.
Man is
very
loaded.
bad? Oh, that's the. Oh, also you have the iron chest plate. That's cool.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Man is jacked. Man is ready.
Guys,
One
don't
minute.
take the iron resources. That's for me.
Ozar, give me. I'll bridge
Don't take
faster. Ozar. Oh, you're not. You'll bridge. You're
I have
bridging.
8 blocks. 8 blocks left there, doesn't it?
Guys,
Okay.
I saw a TikTok hack. Okay, if you have
Bro,
a
who
fidget
watches
spinner,
TikTok
you
anymore?
can
What
just
the?
go to the place.
Who, you watch TikTok, bro? Cringe.
Yeah.
I'm kidding. Go
Bro,
on.
it's
Go
not
I
bad
on.
watching
Go on.
TikTok over here. Okay.
Parkour. What the hell?
Yeah, we have to park over here. This place. I made
Yeah,
a
yeah.
gap. Let's go.
I know,
I made
man.
a gap. We have to park over there.
Oh my god, this is the most hardest
much
parkour I've
resources
ever
we
done.
need?
It's like literally. Bro, this guy literally just blocked his
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
it's
playlist. What the hell
literally
is
the
he doing?
hardest. It's like they're literally the hardest parkour.
Okay, now let
ever.
me do this.
He's made a 2 block jump and he's like the hardest parkour of the world. Wow.
Yeah, so hard.
Yeah, this is the hardest parkour ever.
This
in
is
the
so
world.
hard, bro. This is like
So hard, man. This is
impossible.
2 blocks.
Like only the
hard.
best of the best gamers can
hard.
do this. What the hell is this? Who put wool here?
Yes, so
I'm so
hard.
confused.
Only like the best gamers ever in the world can do that. Don't
Exactly.
No,
That's so
it's
sad.
so
You're a
hard.
noob. You have to be. Yeah, no.
Bruh,
Yes.
bruh, that was the most
Bruh,
noob.
I didn't look out this one. What is
Oh my
it?
god. Oh my god, I have 1,600 resources. I'm
What
coming back
the?
right now really quick.
Okay,
Within seconds, I'm
1086,
getting
1086.
180 resources.
Let's go, 1086.
Buy
Hey, what
me
are you
some
getting?
Sting, man. Buy me something.
Bro, I
buy
can't even
like 7
sprint.
7 iron chest plate.
Bro, I can't even sprint. I'm so
Yeah,
hungry right
I
now.
can't buy myself. That's because I'm
What
so
is this
poor.
man even doing? What is
Let me just get some
this
stuff.
this guy? He was literally trapped in a hole and I just saved him right now.
Oh my god. Let's get the
Wait,
good sword.
I made a parkour in place and you guys just broke it. That's so bad, man. No, it's actually the best thing ever. Don't you
Bro,
know
it's
that?
like one block. Who gives a damn about one block?
No, that's not one block. Jeffrey, you have a good specs. Then why don't you look at the
Oh, it is 2 block.
thing?
But even if it's 2 block, it's really easy. It
That's
was
what I'm
so
saying.
easy. I thought it was 1 block. It's the most biggest
Oh
flex
my
ever.
god, Jeffrey, you're so.
Oh my god!
That's the biggest.
Oh
That's
my
the
god! I
most
have
biggest flex.
2,400 resources right now. 2,400.
What are you going to?
Only
like,
that much? Before when I was not playing with you guys, I just got 300.
oh wow, great,
Oh,
great.
wow.
I don't care.
I got 5,000.
Okay, I'm going to kill this
I
red
wasn't
guy.
even playing that time.
Believed. Okay, believed. Also, no problem. We all believe. No, I
I
believe.
says
You know what? Let me get.
IDK about Jeffrey. I believe.
no one came at the gold and
believe
diamonds.
that- And you got golden diamonds. That's a believable thing ever I
I
had.
didn't say gold and diamonds. I said I got gold and diamond. I'm known to
Oh
that.
my.
Okay, I'm killing so many people.
Oh
Look at the
my
chat,
God,
boys.
you just
Look at
got
the chat. Look
gold
at the chat.
and diamond.
Actually, look at the goddamn chat. I killed wait. I killed the entire red team. Red team is over, guys.
You killed.
And
You.
and you guys know that
Oh.
I'm so pro. I just died.
Oh no.
Bruh.
Guys, look at the
It's
chat. I did so many
actually
kills.
times
I
gold.
did kills. I did.
I'm gonna take all my
Ah, okay.
resources. So I better kill it before it. Ah no.
Okay, let me just
Why
bring
I
it.
did I
died.
just do
Gosh.
Bro, what are these spiders? They're
Oh
so
my god, he
annoying.
dropped.
I killed so many
I
people.
know,
Yeah,
right?
that's don't take it, Jester. Jester, that was for me.
It's not for you only. It's for me as well. Let me just go get some loot. What can I get?
Oh no, no, there's a freaking spider. I don't know, skeleton on a spider.
Okay,
don't
I
know.
made a chest. Anything you want, just put there. I made a chest wall.
Bro, I don't.
Oh,
I need. Oh, wait. I can take lots of golden apples right now, like 20 of them.
Yeah, take those. Gold apples are really good for a really good price. Really, they are
That's
very
cool.
useful.
The best card code ever.
I'll get some more.
I just have more golden apples. I have 20 golden
I
apples.
didn't know why I have the best talent ever in the world. Dying.
But I know, like, I just went kill red. This guy's not even doing it.
And Jeffrey used to follow my things, but now he's not following. Why, Jeffrey?
I
You're
became
not
pro.
even
I
listening to me.
Go for green
evolved.
and yellow. Go for green and yellow.
Okay, I'm
No resource. They're very less.
okay. I killed red. Now let's go for red and yellow. No, blue and yellow, right?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh
Let's
my
go.
No,
God, you
green
killed
and yellow. No, blue. I killed
Jeffrey,
blue. I
you
killed
killed
blue.
red?
Yeah, I killed red. I killed red. Okay, I'm going to
You
go
just took
for yellow. I don't think they have anything. They don't even know I'm there. Okay,
Ah.
okay, okay.
I was gonna take that gold. Bruh.
Wait, I'm going back. So. You know.
Bruh. There are so
Casual-
many.
I'm casually
Guys, I
just eating golden apples.
2,200. Oh, sir, I just got 2,265.
Guys, I have a problem. Guys,
resources.
everybody come here. Guys, give us a pickaxe. I can literally break their bed right now. Just give us a.
Oh, big brain.
I can literally
Big
destroy.
brain, big
Okay,
brain.
there's little guy coming.
I just
Let me
got
just kill him.
I'm
Kill him.
going
Kill him.
2,230.
I killed him. I killed him. Guys, come here real quick. Guys, I can literally destroy his bed. I just need a pickaxe. Anybody just give me a goddamn pickaxe.
I'm getting a pickaxe. One second.
I'm spawn killing this guy. I'm actually spawn killing this guy. This one guy, I'm totally spawn killing.
What killing means? Spawn.
Bro, I'm literally spawn killing him.
I'm coming. Really quick right now.
Bro, I'm actually spawn killing this poor guy. So sorry. Look at the chat. Slain by
Guys,
J-Star. Slain
The
by
guy is
J-Star.
continually dying. Guys, the guy is continuously dying.
I feel so bad, but I don't have a choice. You know what? I'm not gonna kill you. Ozer, come here.
I'm
real quick.
coming with lots
No,
and
he's
lots.
just standing there. He's just standing there. Ozer, come here. I think he has given up. Ozer, come here. Ozer, where are you?
I'm coming. Correct?
Let's go this side.
Ozer is.
Where am I?
Ozer, where are you actually?
Wait,
Just go to the red end.
Stone sword
There's
and
a
this is
straight bridge from
stone
red.
sword.
Go to
Red
right.
space.
There's a
Oh,
straight bridge.
red. Found it.
Okay, guys, just go, bro. I can literally, I just literally just touch. Like, bro, come on, just please. I'm getting so much anxiety right now. This poor kid. What the hell? There's a random guy here. There's a random guy here. What the hell? This guy's playing with me. Okay. Okay, just no. I'll kill him. You go destroy the bed. You go destroy the bed. Destroy the bed real quick.
Easy.
Please, let's go.
There you go. Yellow
I
guns
got
go.
3,008 resources. Guys, I got 3000
Okay,
air
now we go
resources.
for green. Green, let's go for green. Green.
Green. But
Nice.
green has gold.
No, let's go for green. Let's just try. Let's just try. Let me also get a pickaxe.
This is
If I had a
because we
pickaxe, I
have
would have.
like 3,800.
Yeah, I know. I have 2,352. What the hell? Like this, like if we are having so much resources, there's not even a point of having this many resources.
Yeah,
We can
if
buy
I.
things.
Like let me just buy
Hey,
some
where
ender
are you going,
pearls.
man? Why are you not going to red?
No, I'm taking a pickaxe. I'm
Oh,
taking a
yes.
pickaxe.
Yes.
Don't
Oh,
go for
I
red
have
now.
I
diamond
have
pickaxe.
diamond pickaxe.
Don't go
Guys,
for
I
red now.
have diamond pickaxe.
Nice, nice.
Just get picking me.
Okay, now
Let's get
let's.
ender pearls. Get ender pearls. I'm
Oh
gonna
yeah,
get two
ender
ender
pearls,
pearls.
ender pearls, ender
I just
pearls.
got easy 200 pearls. Easy.
Okay, ender pearls, real quick.
The
Special.
worst thing is that we don't have a shield.
Okay, 3 ender
That
pearls.
doesn't
Let's
even
go.
matter.
How many
It
blocks
doesn't
do you
even
have?
matter right
How many
now.
blocks do you have? How many blocks?
34.
34. Okay.
I should get some blocks. I don't even care because I'm gonna show this guy how overpowered I am.
Yeah, you're gonna show him like, yeah, bro. Man's pro gamer.
I got
Anyway.
so much.
Uh,
I bought like so much. I bought so
Okay,
much
you know
of
what?
things. I bought a bow. That. Guys, Ozer, I
We
bought
won.
a bow which
that
has...
guy just left.
We won?
Green left. Green actually left.
Oh,
Let's
easy.
go. We won. Let's
Easy.
go. We won. Guys, the first time I, Jeffrey, and Ozer wins a match.
No, actually,
Easy,
it is
very
your
easy.
first time.
Easy.
I and Ozer won like many matches before.
We won like
No,
7
no,
8
no.
matches. To be honest, yes.
Ah,
Like I was
that
there,
so
like
hard.
I don't.
That was so
I
hard.
felt so bad.
Yeah, because you only bullied him so much time.
Yeah, I was there, like I feel so bad. Sorry for your loss.
I guess that he's a starter. Like,
Yeah, he's a starter.
oh, Jeffrey.
He's like me, just a complete noob. Now I'm a complete pro. I'm kidding. I'm not. Okay,
Parkour and reach where Ozer reached. Where is the resources?
okay, there's a bed right here. Bed right here.
I know this map. I know this map. Easy.
Oh, you know this
Yeah,
map? Okay,
I also
nice,
know
nice.
this map. I have played in this map.
Nice.
Looks on you. I already took all the resources.
I have played 3 to 4 times. Bro, I'm not getting any resources.
Why would I
Actually,
give
this
you?
is a...
Okay, this is getting really lame. I'm not even getting anything.
Yeah,
It's because
I'm
I'm
also not
doing
getting
this.
anything.
What I give you guys? Wait, let me just get 80 resources.
80 resources. What
I
the?
got.
Okay.
That's
Now
saying
you go.
literally many people's face. Okay, I started getting.
Okay.
Other
Go
than the
bridge.
time guy, you guys doing it.
Okay, bridge there, and we'll get resources there as well. Bridge. We should be the first to bridge there. We should be the first.
Guys, this time I will build the bridge. This time I
No.
will build the bridge.
Ozer always builds the bridge. He's the bridge master. Guys,
Then
we
I
need
will
one.
be the building master. Okay, I will protect the bed.
Yeah, protect the bed.
You're
Protect
dying
the
mass.
bed. Exactly. Oh yeah, forgot about that.
I always protect the bed in every Bed Wars games.
Ozer. Oh, there you go. You are building the bed. Okay. Ozer, let's go. Okay, people are already starting to bridge. We are the first one.
Easy. No one is here. Get all the resources.
Exactly. I'm going. I'm coming.
Someone is here. Oh, no, blue team is over here. Blue team is over here. That's not good.
So blue team. Okay, let me just 240, 300.
Jeffrey,
Easy loot.
again bully them.
No, I have to get I have to get a sword first.
Again bully.
Let me get some sword and I'll bully them.
Bro, stop that.
Heck, I'm lagging because of you. Stop.
Okay, why are you guys lagging? Why?
I'm there. I dropped blocks.
Okay,
Oh,
now I'm going to
Coming
leave.
back to the
Let me get some
armor.
loot.
Okay, it's time to get full armor.
Armor. Full armor.
Easy. Okay, now I get the best sword, and I get food and I get blocks. Oh my god, I am so overpowered right
I'm also so overpowered. Let me just eat real quick. Okay, now let's try to bully some people. I feel so bad.
Let's bully, let's bully.
Let's just.
Oh, here we go.
Hey,
No
no,
armor,
there.
no armor.
No
Die,
armor.
Die, die, die,
He deserves a die.
die. Came without armor. And we are surrounded him with. He had 139 resources. Good. Just took all the resources without any armor.
Huge bro moment. Okay, should we go for a bed? Should we go for a bed? Let me just get a pickaxe.
People are coming. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming.
Alright,
You
alright,
guys
let's.
fight. I'm going. Okay. You guys
Okay, I'm
fight.
fighting, I'm
Let me
fighting.
protect the, let me protect the
Like,
base.
yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
get
they're
out of
getting
here.
scared, huh?
They're getting scared. Get out of here.
Yeah. Yeah, come back here.
Get out of
Come on,
here.
let's play some games. Some games, yeah, shall we? Shall we? We get some. Shall we play some?
They have a lot of stuff. They have a lot of stuff.
Okay, no.
They actually have a lot of stuff.
Oh, okay.
They actually have a lot of stuff. Let's leave. Let's leave.
I just died very badly. I don't know how I died there, but I died.
Yeah, we all should go there. We cannot. They have like many people. Let's go.
Yeah, we all have to go. But first, you guys come back.
Yeah, I'm coming back. Let me just get some. Let me get a
Get
pickaxe and
300
then.
resources. Let's go.
Oh no! No!
I actually need a pickaxe.
Okay, I have absorption and everything. Let's go for it. I'm going for green. No, I mean not green. I'm telling my own.
Yeah,
Oh,
please
wait,
go.
wait. Okay, one guy is done. One guy done. Two guys done.
Two guys here.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I just need to buy one sword. Does anyone have enough resources to buy an iron sword?
No, I
Yes,
don't have
I
one.
have
I don't
enough
have.
resources. I have 1,460 resources.
Oh, buy me an iron sword, please. Buy me an iron sword.
But I need one more golden resource.
Ah, you have so many resources.
Yeah, now I'm collecting resources, man. How can I come there?
Fast, come back to spawn. Really quick. Come.
Yeah, wait, I'm coming. Man, I'm coming. 1 second.
You know what? I'm going for red. Wish me
Bruh.
luck.
Oza, you're bullying this next guy is.
Now we move.
Oza, buy me some food. Buy me some food. Buy me some food.
Okay, I'm actually getting mobbed right now. I'm getting mobbed. I got mobbed. I literally got mobbed by the red team.
Buy me an iron sword. Buy me an iron sword.
How much? Give me iron.
Fine,
Give me
whatever.
full
I'll
armor.
give you an iron sword.
Give me full armor. I actually died real quick. Wait, let me.
Give me an iron sword. Just give me an iron sword. I'll go for them.
There you
Just
go.
give me an iron.
Oh, sorry. Jeffrey took it. Jeffrey
No, I
took
also
it.
need an iron sword. Give
Back.
him also an
Give it
iron
back to
sword.
me.
No, I won't give you. I don't have enough resources.
Okay, you know, take. I'll listen.
Drop it. I have armor.
Do you have to
Wait,
buy
let
an
me check
armor? Do you have enough to buy an armor? Iron.
No, I only
Uh,
have 200.
I just go real quick.
What? I just glitched out. This is not unfair.
Bro, huge bro moment.
I just glitched.
That's
Huge
a
bro
That's
moment.
a bro moment. We have to name it as the bro moment.
Bro
Oh,
moment?
that guy's coming. That guy's
you mean
coming
bro
for us.
moment?
That guy's coming
Oh.
for us.
Okay.
Okay, that's
Okay.
a bro moment. Okay.
Yeah, I listened as bro moment.
The spiders are coming to attack us. Let me attack that one.
Okay, you know, kill the spiders. They have
No. I don't want to fall. I lost everything. Guys, I just lost everything.
no. I know that feeling. It's horrible.
Guys, can you buy me an armor? I just bought you guys a iron sword.
I'm coming with 1,356.
Bruh, buy me one iron chest plate and one iron sword, please. I gave you one iron sword.
Yes, I'm buying you. Whose chainmail stuff is this? I don't know whose chainmail.
I think that's the other teams. No, I think that's Little Cats.
This one.
Okay, no. Okay.
Okay, let me just get real quick.
Hello, Ozer, I'm back of you. I'm in front
Yes,
of you.
yes, I'm dying you. Chill.
Yeah, I just said I'm back of you.
Let me just go. Let me just get
Okay,
food.
come
food.
to
Okay,
me.
okay.
Come to me.
Okay, Kane, we should go for something.
Yeah, you should go for I forgot. Should go for green, not green. We should go for blue.
We'll go for yellow.
Yeah,
We'll
the
go for
guy.
yellow because
No,
he have the least people.
no, guys, do one thing. Red's bed is still there. Let's just destroy Red's bed, so we'll get points either way because nobody's there in Red.
Yeah,
Wait, you're better.
That's the easiest way to get points. They'll think that we destroyed the entire Red team. But even though we didn't do
yeah,
anything,
they
destroy their bed.
don't destroy.
I
I want to destroy.
Where the hell is their bed? What the hell? Do you know where the bed spawns?
It's yellow.
It's right here, right?
Yes, it spawns inside that thingy.
Yeah, the temple
That
thingy.
spawns inside the tunnel thingy.
I don't see it. What the? I think
I'll come. Wait, let me bring a pickaxe.
you. Oh, I found it.
I guess you went
Found it.
inside.
I found it.
Oh, yes.
I was there like I'm so confused. Like they had so much blocks everywhere. I don't know where it was.
Definitely take all the resources from here, man. It's like I got 817 resources from red,
Nice. Okay.
bruh.
Red is
That's
gone.
good
Yellow's gone.
job.
Only blue's left. Blue only has 2.
There's
One in
no
blue.
protection on our bed. Why?
Oh, Christy. I thought CJ. I thought you were in protection duty.
Nope. I'm in my duty, man.
Come on.
One guy is there. Let's go. Okay, he only have leather armor though.
Okay, that's nice.
Leather armor. What do you mean?
Or like all leather armor. You know, like the first thing you get.
Nobody's getting the resources. I just got 2,400.
Okay, you know, let's just go for green and no blue. I'm telling my own team every single time. Let's go for blue. Let's go for blue, and then yeah, let's go for. Let me get the
I'm killing this guy. Poor guy.
Blue. Oh, blue. Only one person's left. Blue. Only one
Okay.
person is left.
Okay, blue. We kill blue.
Where did this guy go and hide his things? There's no bed.
Yeah, there's literally no. Oh, we won.
We won.
We won actually.
We won. Yeah, we won.
Wow. Easy. Okay.
Okay, let me leave real quick. Let me leave.
We played.
I think we played enough. Or do you want to play more?
Yes, I'm gonna leave. Yeah, me
we
too.
played enough.
Today we
Guys,
played all the
bye.
time.
So that's all. We played a lot. I just started from 3 though.
We played for
Guys,
13
that's
minutes.
all
I didn't
for
even realize.
today's video. Till the next video. Bye.
Bye bye.
I stopped. Okay then.
Bye.